Hello everyone! Today, I'll walk you through the latest 2026 Binance sign-up process step by step. Everything will be explained in a simple and easy to understand way. By signing up through the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% trading fee reduction and some extra sign-up rewards. Don't forget to use the link if you want to receive these rewards. First, I'll walk you through how to create a Binance account. When you open Binance using the link below this video, you'll be taken directly to the Binance sign-up page. On this screen, you'll notice a 20% trading fee discount, along with several welcome rewards for new users. You can register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Be sure to tick the box to agree to the terms shown at the bottom. Once that's done, tap Continue to proceed. Next, choose the image that matches the word shown on the left. After that, complete the verification sent to your email or phone number. Then, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters long, include one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one number. If you see a field labeled Invite a code, enter SKY333 in that box. Using this code gives you a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with additional bonus rewards. That's why I strongly suggest entering the code before finishing registration. Once all steps are completed, your Binance account will be ready to use. Second, I'll walk you through how to complete Binance KYC verification. To use peer-to-peer services, withdraw funds, or start trading, you'll need to finish identity verification first. Because this step includes facial verification, we'll continue using a mobile phone. Download the Binance app on your smartphone. Now on the Binance app, log in with the account you just created. After logging in, you'll be taken straight to the identity verification screen. Select your nationality from the list. In this example, I'll choose India. Then, move on to the next verification step. Choose one of the supported identity documents. Here, I'll go with passport verification. Tap Take Pictures to capture the passport information page. Then, press Continue at the bottom of the screen. Position the passport page neatly inside the camera frame. Take a clear photo. Make sure there are no shadows or glare on the image. Next, we'll move on to facial verification. Center your face in the camera frame, and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Your identity verification has now been successfully submitted. The review will take about an hour. Your verification status will change to verified. Third, I'll walk you through how to set up Google Authenticator for added security. Now, please switch back to the PC screen. Click Account from the menu on the left side. Then, select Security from the list. We'll add an extra security layer using an Authenticator app. Click Manage to continue. Now, choose Enable Authenticator app. Next, complete the verification sent to your email or phone. After that, a QR code will appear on the screen. Now, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will now appear in the app. Return to the Binance page and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code field. Once this is completed, Google Authenticator will be fully set up. Today, I walked you through the latest 2026 Binance sign-up process step by step. I made sure to keep everything straightforward and beginner-friendly. If you have any questions after watching, feel free to leave a comment anytime. I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching all the way to the end.